everyone, this is Gigi with Gigi Gabrielle 21. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a lace front wig, the lace and the wig. As you can see, this particular wig does have a lot of buildup of makeup and also glue, and we're going to take care of that today. I'm going to show you how. We will start off by rinsing the wig with cold water. Now I'm filling up the sink with cold water and adding some shampoo to the mix. Going to start getting that lace nice and moist. We're going to go ahead and let it sit there for just a little bit, and then we'll start cleansing the whole entire wig by swishing it around, pulling it in and out, gently cleaning it. Drain out that old dirty water. Rinse her with fresh cold water and fill the sink back up with shampoo and water again. You will use this and also a toothbrush to go ahead and clean the lace in a detailed fashion. The toothbrush is gentle enough that it won't break the lace, and it's also sturdy enough that it'll get all of that product out. Scrub as much as you need to make sure that everything gets out of that lace and it stays nice and clear. This way you can go ahead and reinstall it and have a perfectly melted lace. I know what you're thinking. It's not a fast process, but it's not the longest in the world either. You do got to put in some work to get it clean, but it's all worth it in the end. Rinse her out once again. Come on, you know you're having fun. And this is your opportunity to go in with the toothbrush and get out any final things that you see on the lace. As you can see, I had a lot of buildup, so I really had to go in and scrub that lace. let's rinse her off and check on that lace. After rinsing the wig once more, we'll make a mixture of conditioner with water and condition our hair. We really want to pamper our hair and make sure the conditioner gets inside it. So we'll let it sit for a little while and then slowly swish the hair around so that the conditioner can really get in each one of the strands. You don't want to scrub the hair, you want to massage the conditioner into it and then keep rinsing it out, just basically squeezing it out and putting it back in. This is going to make sure that all the cuticles stay smooth on the hair and don't rough up. It'll make your hair last a lot longer. That dirty water to drain out so that we can start rinsing the wig. We want to make sure that we get out all of the shampoo and conditioner that might still be in there so that it could be really, really clean. When it comes to washing the hair on your wig is be gentle. We're all done with washing hair. Now it's time to detangle. You want to detangle starting from the bottom of the hair, working your way up with a wide tooth comb. Notice how when I feel a snag, I don't just break through it. I take the comb out and I start back from underneath to try to work out that knot. You don't want to fight against it because then you're just going to be breaking the hair. Brush the hair away from the lace so that when you go to reinstall it, it's easier to glue it down without all the hair being glued down with it. P.S. Remember, it's completely normal for the hair to shed a little bit. Think about it. When you wash your own hair and you brush it out, some hair comes out too. Once you're done brushing it back, you can allow your hair to air dry or you can blow dry it. Just remember, the less heat, the better for the hair. And here we are. Take a look at that lace. Nice and clean. Do you remember what it looked like before? Yep, zero buildup now, zero gunk now, completely clean. That's how we want it. This is gonna lay down perfectly. Thank you for joining me today. Please like and subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell. Come back for more. And like always, much love.